Hi, this is Alexander Vera for CIS113M. Um, this is week 4, and for this week we were told to take inventory of contents of what's in our refrigerator and then to populate it onto a table. Uh, not to have over 10 tables. Um, I chose to make 3 tables for now. Um, I also want to add 2 more tables, but the way I wanted to go about doing it, I wanted to do it different. So let me show you the uh, first table. I called it ref dairy for all my dairy products, and I populated it with only like 5 contents. I just wanted to get a feel for it. I didn't want to like go overboard. I chose only 5 columns for the food name, the purchase date, the expiration date, the quantity of the item, and the note. The note was also to help with like a description or like to help with identifying the quantity, um, like 1 gallon of milk or one ice cream, which is a half gallon, you know, things like that. So that's what I chose for dairy. This is what I chose. Let me do this a little bit easier for for meat, and this is what I chose for fruit. So those are the 3, and they're populated. Um, Real simple. I haven't edited them or edited the display. I forgot what it is that we do in order to space it out to make it more neat. So I'm gonna work on that. Um, the way I went about doing that was I did use a Genesis file for the creation of the tables um, with the @ command, you know. But uh, when it came to populating the table, I did it uh, row by row or record by record. I just pressed up, stuff like that. Real basic. Uh, since it was only so many contents, um, I did download the Python file, the CVS file, and the other Genesis file. Um, I know I could probably go into the Python file and edit it, which is what I want to do with the other 2 tables, which is why I only made 3 right now. Because for the other 2, I would like to use that Python file, at least when it comes to creating a text file that would give me the commands, the insert commands, automatically. Well, not automatically, but would generate the insert commands, and then just use the @ command like you showed us in class. Um, Also trying to incorporate the CSV file, which I downloaded and took a look at as well. I'm trying to find a way to connect my Python to my SQL Plus. There are some video tutorials on that, but it's more towards, I think, not SQL Plus, but like MySQL and things like that. So I'm trying to do it the most efficient way because, doing it row by row is not going to last too long. If you have to put in huge amounts of data, you're not going to do it row by row. Um, so that was pretty much it for the week. If you want me to add a copy of the data table to a text file, like spool off, just let me know. For now, I'm just gonna upload the video, the lab, and the video, the lab, and the questions. My lab is right here. So yeah, that's it. Thank you.